Okay?
Okay.
And now, massage. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 3 or 5 minutes for one cigar.
A Thai massage.
Yes, it's a Thai massage, 3 or 5 minutes for one cigar. No less of 3 minutes, because it's many air inside. The smoke going inside of you really easy, and it's consumed really rapid. No more than 5, because no good, because it's too tight, and then later too hard for smoke. Okay, and how is the massage? In any moment to the front and back, no reverse because it's open. Okay, and the massage is like that, delicate. Okay.
Technology. Yeah.
Every of that, we're using the next ones inside.
Yes.
When you roll, continue 10 cigars. That one, you put it inside. Look what happened.
Beautiful.
It's humid. Okay, but it's necessary to stay humid. It's necessary to stay humid because if not humid, you break the leaf when you roll. Okay? The government use the compress machines. Compress machines. Here no have compress. Here use the paper. You roll in one paper. Two days.
2 days in
More or
compress
less
machine
2
like
days.
this.
1.5 or 2 days like that. When you remove the paper, it's more dry, but you need to put it the last leaf. You cut it from here, and from here.
Yes.
The glue. The glue. The government used from Canada. German. Iron syrup. Iron syrup, you know? From Canada.
Honey? No.
No, iron syrup from Canada. It's a maple. Okay, you know what is?
Yeah.
Okay, here is used honey. It's used the honey. One little drop of honey here, one here, and you close the cigar. Cásame los mazos. Okay? Then you cut it here, and you put it in the paper again. 2 or 3 hours. For the last leaf. And the glue dry.
Okay.
Okay? And then later, I wrap it in paper or I wrap it in that material. Okay? In that material, okay? And there, you conserve, you travel. It was perfect, okay? You have a different sizes of cigars. Okay? So you conserve for 2.5, 2 years, or maybe 4 years. On depends what size. Because here you have cigar fermented 2 times. For example, that one and that one. And that one. No, that one is